Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Today we'll discuss wall location line. Make a new wall. You have the option bar location line for this wall. You can make the wall one from this option. Wall center line, core center line, finish face exterior, finish face interior, core face exterior, core face interior. You can also edit this from properties. You can select this option from here. Every wall have 2 points, start point and end point. I will start my wall from here to here. This wall location line is wall center line. The start and end points at the center line for this wall. The center line, not the center line for the core. It's for all the wall with finish and all layers. Second type of location line, we have core center line. If I start a new wall like this, the start and the end points of the location line at the core center line, even it have layers or not, like this. Next we have finish face exterior. Make the wall from the finish face of all the wall, like this. The start and the end point at the finish face of the wall. We have also finish face interior. It will be like this. Sorry. If I select the wall, the start and the end points at the finish face interior for the wall. Next we have core face exterior. It will be like this. The start and the end points of the wall will be at the core face exterior. We know the exterior face for the wall from this indication. This is the exterior face and this is the interior face. This location line is core face exterior. The face of the core in the exterior side. Next we have core face interior. It will be like this. The start and the end points at the core face interior. I prefer core face exterior, but it's up to you. You have to know that if you want to make a wall, you can press the start point, and if you go right, it will be like this, and if you go left, it will be like this, and also up at this side and down at this side. I hope it's simple and easy, and see you next video. Thank you.